Hey everybody, welcome back to another video on my Starting Your Cleaning Business series. So today I'm going to be bringing you guys something that I think is well needed, and it's going to be short, sweet, and to the point. It's going to be about starting your cleaning business with the following items. Now, I haven't necessarily included prices, but we'll catch up to that. So the first one is to create your inventory list. List all of the cleaning solutions slash tools that you'll have to buy monthly or however that frequency looks for you. Be sure to have the following: the item name slash currently in stock, the amount to order, order date, and amount ordered, total stock after replenishment. And you can also include like the price for whatever you're purchasing in there somewhere too, so you can keep up with that. I suggest using Google Docs for this part. Whatever this list looks like in the end is totally up to you if you use Canva or Google Docs or whatever. And number two, create your cleaning checklist. What rooms will you clean? What will you clean in each room? What won't you clean in each room? While it's not mandatory that you do this, it's in good taste that you do. I suggest that you create two different types of checklists, one for yourself slash your staff, another for your customers that you'll either print out and leave with them, or you can email it to them at the end of your cleaning with your receipt. The receipt is definitely necessary. Whether you print it out or email it, make sure you send that receipt. And keep in mind that the checklist will look different for what you have for yourself and what you give to your customers, because you'll want to ask questions like, how did we do? Did we miss anything? And you'll also want to include notes for yourself or your cleaner on you guys' list. So just be sure to think about those details. So number three will be your supplies. There's no need to break the bank when starting out. These supplies will get you started. Now, here's examples of what I started out with. I had actually got my commercial mop stick and mop bucket from my previous job for free 99, so I got lucky, but I'll include some Amazon links, and then I purchased the steam mop and the spray mop. If you want to utilize business credit, then I would suggest Quill or Uline, but it won't be cheap. They most definitely will tax you a bit extra for those. If you want to be cost efficient, I suggest you check out Amazon, maybe Walmart, any of those other websites, but you do have options out there. Just do your research. And numbers, what is this, 4, 5, and 6? I accidentally put 2, 3, and 4, but we're going to ignore that and just keep this ball rolling. So we're going to be sure to purchase a long-handled dustpan and broom, as well as an extendable duster, and make sure that the pole is sturdy. Yes, you want to be as cost efficient as possible, but if that means that you'll be replacing cheap equipment frequently, what will you really be saving? Also, a short handle ostrich feather duster. These work great to dust with no replacements to buy, so it's a must have. Um, don't forget to get yourself a good vacuum. Any kind of vacuum will do when you're starting out, but eventually you want to upgrade to a commercial grade vacuum. I've been actually wanting to look into one of those vacuums that vacuum and mop at the same time. So maybe you'll want to look into that for yourself too, but be prepared to pay a bit for that. So you can also, I don't know how that will work business tax wise, but you can also just use, what is that? Klarna and all of those buy now, pay later apps to kind of help you boost it up. Make sure you get warranties for everything, please. And what would this be? Number 6, cleaning chemicals slash solutions. Always buy in bulk or concentrate. I can't stress this enough. Whatever chemical solutions that you end up using, try to avoid single-use products. While yes, it's true that sometimes you can find good discounts buying one-and-done products, if you can, buy more than one of those if the discount is good. But in any case, always just shop around. I was able to get over, what is it, 132-ounce refills of OdoBan disinfectant by buying one bottle of concentrate. I also have a 128-ounce jug of Zep toilet bowl cleaner acid that's not concentrate, but I do use it to refill my 32-ounce bottle. And I can refill that three to four times. I also suggest that you buy professional grade neutral scented cleaners. Please do not use bleach to clean anything. No matter how much you love the bleach smell or feel like it gets the job done, it's killing your lungs and it's destroying the surfaces of whatever you use it on. Finally, be sure to buy a binder. This part right here is, if you don't listen to anything else that I said, please do this because it will save you. Be sure to buy a binder and keep safety data sheets for all chemicals that you use. It's important not only for knowing what surfaces to use / not use certain chemicals on, but it'll also give directions in health emergencies. Keep this binder with you at all times. Keep it with you. When you go in a person's home, don't leave it in a car. You don't want it to melt. You don't want the pages to stick together. You don't want anything to happen to this binder. Keep it with you. Make sure anyone that you're working with has access to this binder. You need to know about the chemicals that you are working with, because certain people will go and mix chemicals and, oh my goodness, almost be laid out in the bathroom or in the house or wherever they, especially, oh my God, I said in the bathroom because it's usually a closed off small area with little to no ventilation. But yeah, we'd be done passed out in there, and you can't afford to pass out in the client's home. And more importantly, you just want to keep your health first. Um, I dragged this video out a bit longer than what it should have been with my little rant just now, but I want to thank you guys so much for watching my video. And if it helps you out, comment below, comment any questions you have. Let me see. Or you can also email me. I'll leave my email in the description box. Just like, comment, subscribe, etc., etc., so I can keep dropping these videos. Let me know how you guys feel about these videos, and I'll keep doing them. If you want to email me any subjects that you would like me to make a video on, I'm thinking about doing another video showing how to make a basic cleaning business website. I've already did the one for how to create booking forms for your website, so make sure you check that out. It's just so much content that I want to put out, and I'm trying not to do it all at once so I don't rush and miss anything. But I'm excited. I would love to help some people to get started. I failed so horribly in the beginning with my cleaning business, with just certain things that if I had have known, things would have never happened the way how they happened. So I would love to be able to help you guys to not make the same mistakes that I made, and to just feel good and be confident within your business and create that solid foundation that you'll need to make it, even if you decide to not turn it into a LLC or to incorporate or to turn into an actual business, and you just do cleaning jobs every now and then. These tips can definitely help you too. So anyway, sorry about that even further rant, but thank you for watching, and make sure you leave your comments below, and I'll see you guys again in my next video. Bye.